Well, here I am. The maiden voyage and the shifter fell off. So that's always good. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can tell, we're on a different bike. I am back. I've been just kind of dealing with some life stuff, moving, new place to live, all the normal adult things that you got to do in life. And I picked up this wrecked RSV4, and we're gonna do some stuff to it. So I got to pull over. I feel like my phone's gonna fall out of my pocket. So currently I have no rear brakes, only only front brakes, and we're in Florida. Today is Sunday, so I figured it was probably the most appropriate day to finally take this out for its maiden voyage. I bought it a week ago. I really haven't ridden it, so today was the day. So some things we're going to do to this bike. I am for sure 100% getting more upright bars. This is going to be more of a moto vlog setup bike. I wanted a 2.0, but I just couldn't find one that made sense right now. The way the market is and everything's so inflated. So I went with this bike, and we're going to kind of do a RSV4 2.0 hybrid. It should be kind of cool. The 2.0, if you guys don't know, it's basically the same bike, just it's more upright bars, different kind of seating on it. Welcome to Florida. Welcome to Florida. That's what you do. You put your hands up like that in Florida. The drivers are terrible. So bad. The drivers are so bad here. This is going to be a fun bike. So this bike is a 2011 RSV4. It actually has a Hawaii title. It had Hawaii plates. It came all the way from Hawaii. It's pretty cool to think about. This bike only has 6,402 miles on it now. So it for the price and the miles, it made a lot of sense for me. I just got to do some stuff to it. I'll show you guys here in a minute. We're going to pull over. This bike, the super aggressive seating position, not a fan of it. I know all you guys are like, oh, you shouldn't have bought a whatever, super bike, hyper bike, whatever you want to call it, for the seating position, but I'm going to put some more upright bars on it. Working with a company right now to see what they can come up with for me. Should be pretty good. The insurance for this bike, you guys, it's unexplainable. I called like 18 different companies, and it was an actual nightmare trying to find someone that had decent insurance for this thing. I have a good driving record, and the highest I came up with for full coverage was was $2,600 a year. So I ended up finding a company to do it for about $290 every 6 months. That was the best I could find. So if you're looking to get one of these bikes, good luck with the insurance. Dude, this bike rips. I mean, like, you barely touch the throttle and this thing is 2 speeds. Here and there. Wild. Well, here I am. The maiden voyage and the shifter fell off. So that's always good. So I need to go this direction with it, I think. Right? Oh, nice. Dude, I don't know what kind of setup we got going on here, but I don't got any wrenches, so that's not good. So I'm quite a ways from home, so I gotta try and make sure. I should have brought some tape. I could have just taped it, then it couldn't back out. Dude, look at this. I mean, like, there's no... Dude, like, this is something else, man. This is why we take the maiden voyages. So this linkage fell, so I went to downshift, and this was dangling down here. This is almost as bad as my side stand or kickstand falling off of my Ducati. Anyways, let's do the walk around on the bike. So it's pretty much all stock. He's got, whoever had this, put these EST adjustable, fully adjustable rear sets on there, and these unscrew like this. You can take these off, so I'm waiting for that to fall off. He's got this janky bolt right here that's about to fall out, so that's good. Tank is okay. I think it's got a scrape under here where it went down. Different levers, vortex bars. I don't like these bars. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I don't know if I'm going to chop it right here and then put my upright bars on it. I'm either going to do a carbon fiber one of these or just sand it, and we're going to repaint the... Honestly, I could probably just sand this because this isn't cracked. The worst of the damage was definitely right here on this fairing, so that shouldn't be too bad to replace. The rest of it is pretty good. Scrape on this, so the dude covered it up. Otherwise, it's full Brembo brakes. Yeah, I don't know. I want to do it maybe in Nardo Gray. Oh, the headlight. They still work, but this will be expensive. This is probably two or $300 for this light. Otherwise, it's, yeah, pretty cool bike, right? No? Does have an actual passenger seat, which my Ducati didn't have. Whether or not I have anyone ride on there, I guess time will tell. Tires are decent. I really want to get exhaust on it. To be my favorite part about this bike, I think, is the sound. So it's a V4 engine. If you guys are unfamiliar with these bikes, yeah. So there it is. Ta-da! So I got a pretty good price. This bike does have a clean title, so it does show an accident on the Carfax. It says it hit a parked car. I don't think it hit a parked car. I think it just went down and then kind of plopped over and whatever, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna take it easy. Hopefully I don't drop this. Hopefully this doesn't come off. And we're gonna go get some pictures by the beach, and I'll show you guys the beach. We're right down the street from the beach. Hopefully this works and doesn't vibrate loose. I gotta button these up. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put all my stuff in my backpack though. You guys want to see the ocean? You're about to see it. It's pretty cool. You come across the bridge and it's nothing but ocean. That's what you guys are looking for, right? That's where all the beach goers go. Florida's very odd. Like their color choices for like vehicles, like the wheels and stuff, man, it's like a whole different planet. Very weird. It'd be like a yellow Jeep with yellow wheels with like red stripes. There's a lot of weird color combinations down here. I know it's supposed to be very tropical or whatever, but this is something else. I'm gonna start making videos again, so I'm sorry you guys. I know I let some of you down, but yeah, it was just, I don't know. You know, like I still work like a normal job, right? So this isn't what I do full time or anything like that. So I had to do like handle like my life situation and things and getting moved. I needed to handle that, and then, you know, get situated with the bike. I did sell the Husqvarna. I forgot to tell you guys that. With this high traffic, like you're always constantly doing 50-60 miles an hour. I wanted a bike that I could get up in traffic and there's no issues or anything like that. I wonder if you'll know. How's that song go?